Carbide burr tools are indispensable assets in the automotive industry, prized for their durability, precision, and versatility. These rotary cutting tools, made from tungsten carbide, are engineered to handle demanding tasks on hard materials, including metals commonly found in automotive components. Their unique construction allows them to maintain sharpness and cutting performance far beyond what traditional steel tools can offer, making them ideal for high-precision work. One of the most prominent applications of carbide burrs in the automotive world is engine porting. In performance vehicles, maximizing the efficiency of airflow through the engine is crucial for power gains and overall engine health. Carbide burrs are used to reshape and smooth the intake and exhaust ports of cylinder heads. This process, known as porting and polishing, involves carefully removing material to eliminate casting imperfections, sharp edges, and rough surfaces that can cause turbulence or restrict the flow of air and fuel. By using carbide burrs to meticulously sculpt these passages, technicians can significantly improve the engine's breathing capability, resulting in increased horsepower, better throttle response, and enhanced fuel efficiency. For example, when porting and polishing intake manifolds, a skilled technician uses carbide burrs of various shapes and sizes to match the tool to the contours of the manifold. The process begins with rough cutting to remove casting marks and open up bottlenecks that impede airflow. Once the initial shaping is complete, finer burrs are used to smooth out the port walls, creating a more uniform surface that reduces resistance. The end result is a manifold that channels air more effectively into the engine, contributing to improved combustion and performance. Beyond engine work, carbide burrs are frequently employed in customizing automotive parts. Enthusiasts and professionals alike use these tools to modify brackets, suspension components, or even body panels. Whether it's enlarging mounting holes, shaping metal to fit a custom application, or adding unique design elements, carbide burrs provide the control and cutting power needed for precision modifications. The ability to work on hardened steel, aluminum, or even cast iron makes carbide burrs a go-to choice for a wide range of automotive customization projects. Repairing worn or damaged components is another area where carbide burrs excel. Over time, engine parts, transmission housings, or brake components can develop burrs, cracks, or imperfections that compromise their function. Carbide burrs allow technicians to remove damaged material, blend out cracks, or prepare surfaces for welding or further repair. Their ability to cut smoothly without generating excessive heat helps preserve the integrity of the surrounding material. This is especially valuable when working on critical engine parts, where maintaining the original dimensions and tolerances is essential. In daily workshops, the versatility of carbide burrs is evident in their use for deburring sharp edges after cutting or machining, cleaning up welds, or even removing broken bolts and studs. Their compatibility with standard rotary tools, die grinders, or high-speed drills means they can be used in tight spaces and on intricate parts where other tools might struggle. In summary, carbide burr tools play a pivotal role in the automotive industry, facilitating everything from high-performance engine upgrades to custom fabrication and routine repair work. Their precision, toughness, and adaptability make them a trusted choice for automotive professionals dedicated to enhancing vehicle performance, extending component life, and achieving flawless finishes. Whether it's porting an intake manifold for a race car or refurbishing a worn cylinder head, the carbide burr is a tool that continues to drive innovation and excellence across the automotive landscape.